Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Austin Brand, the AI evangelist here at Integro. And today we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics in business, AI and marketing. So whether you're a seasoned marketer, a business leader, or just someone that's curious about the future, make sure you stick around as we unpack the future of marketing. Now, if you've been following the AI industry at all for the last couple of years, you've probably heard a lot about AI and marketing by now. But today, let's break down what it actually means for our day-to-day work. Now, first and foremost is to know that AI is not just a trend that is here today and probably going to be gone in the next few years. It's become a foundational shift in how we approach marketing altogether. Now, according to a recent Gartner report, AI is part of a combinational disruption that will drive us to re-examine our assumptions and priorities about strategies, tactics, and innovation across the board. And this insight challenges us to rethink everything we know about marketing up till now, from workflow management to decision-making processes. So this basically means that organizations that adopt and harness AI capabilities early not only gain from strategic advantages, but also mitigate operational risks. So whether it's through audience segmentation or personalized content creation, AI empowers us to work smarter, not harder. The evolution of AI in marketing has been remarkable. Initially, we saw tools that help out with one-off tasks. Write me a blog here, tell me about this company there. But now we're entering into a new era of AI. Now it's all about Agentic AI. These are systems that can basically act like your professional digital marketing strategist. But of course, that begs the question, what is Agentic AI? And how does it differ from other traditional AI tools that we've been using forever? So unlike typical AI, which requires human input at every step, Agentic AI is capable of taking the initiative to actually do something for you. In our recent Future of Work livestream, our CEO, Peter Guagente, nailed it on the head when he said, AI agents in many ways are the real applications of AI. They can analyze vast amounts of data, break down complex tasks into simpler ones, and they can autonomously execute them without constant human oversight. So for example, take a look at one of our pre-built agents that we have on our platform. This is a company profiler agent. You can give it the URL or the name of the company, and it will autonomously go and do research on that company's website and come back with a detailed report telling you all about it. Basically doing one job of what one of your interns would be doing for you. What would normally take hours, takes minutes. You see, the idea here is that agents can do real-world work for you, not just menial tasks here and there. They can handle these complex tasks and perform them immediately. They don't need to sleep, they don't need to eat, they don't need to take time off. They're basically your perpetual employee of the month at scale. But now, let's talk about the real-world benefits. With Agentic AI, hyper-personalization in marketing becomes a reality. Imagine being able to tailor messages, visuals, and overall customer experience for every single customer that you have. Further on that, Forbes says, Agentic AI can help create marketing systems that adapt and respond to customer needs in real time. But Agentic AI doesn't just stop at personalization. It can automate routine tasks that your team is often working on, like campaign setup and performance analysis. Imagine a team of AI workers that can supplement every single one of your human members of your team. Instead of just one brand strategist, you can have 5. And instead of 3 copywriters, well, now your team can have 10. And one of the most powerful parts is when you connect RAG systems to these agents. So it can know all things about your company and your writing style to always stay on brand. So I think that the Wall Street Journal put it perfectly when they say, Agentic AI is the next frontier in autonomous marketing. This shift allows your team members to work on high-level strategic plays as well as more creative work, rather than being bogged down by manual processes that probably they don't even find fun in the first place. And if you're in marketing, you probably know who Neil Patel is. He states that the winning combination for at least marketing is AI and humans combined. And you know, it's a powerful reminder that while Agentic AI can handle these complex and heavy tasks, it's the humans that add the soul to the marketing campaign. Now, of course, every innovation comes with its set of challenges, and Agentic AI is no different. Agentic AI and AI in general relies on large data analysis. And of course, concerns about privacy and ethical usage are at the top of mind. You know, much like all the conversations that we've been having around TikTok and Facebook forever. And this is where Forbes points out the importance of explainable AI systems that can articulate their decision-making processes, ensuring that customer trust is at the forefront. And this is where maybe you've heard some things about trustworthy AI. And another thing is that integration is not always the easiest. Think about updating your favorite smartphone app. Sometimes when there's a new update, there are actually some new glitches that come along with it. Or especially a lot with these new AI tools, there's a steep learning curve that comes with it. And similarly, fitting Agentic AI systems into current CRMs or CDPs requires both time and investment. And of course, all of these agents are naturally there to boost your efficiency, but it is critical to maintain our human creativity. Agentic AI should support, not replace, your nuanced storytelling that creates your brand. So how should you and your business prepare for the shift towards Agentic AI? The key is to start small and scale strategically. Begin by identifying those pesky routine tasks that your team can give off to Agentic AI, whether that's doing market research or creating content for your social media. it is pivotal to invest in robust data infrastructure to ensure that your AI has quality information needed to learn and adapt. Additionally, rethinking your team's roles will be critical for the future. While Agentic AI takes over those routine and analytical tasks, human marketers will move more into roles based around creativity, strategic thinking, and ethical oversight. But one thing is for sure, continuous testing is vital in any marketing organization. Like our guy Neil Patel says, most people fail in marketing because they stop testing. It's about constant iteration and learning. So to wrap it up, Agentic AI represents a new paradigm shift in marketing, where just like us, our technology will start to learn and listen from our cultural trends. It's about making marketing as dynamic and personalized as possible to make it better for you as a marketing expert and for us as consumers. But I want to hear from you guys. How does your company plan on using Agentic AI? Or how are you implementing Agentic AI right now in your marketing strategy? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on all things AI and Agentic AI. See you next time.